You can talk now. This is Gale.
He does have really nice angles in his rear. He's a little open in the shoulders. Looks like he's got nice feet. You stand up, you stand.
Likes to sit.
A budding obedience dog.
Hmm.
There's a wide distance between his shoulder blades.
Like his cheese.
Which means he's going to be a little wider here.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see that.
Yep.
To me, he's got the best rear of the bunch, as far as... But again, it's a matter of degree. Got pictures of him?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try this kid? So we can really see things?
Oh, look at that. That's a little bit easier.
Oops.
Whoopsie.
Come on.
You gotta come outside, silly girl.
Where's the point of his hips? He has a tendency to, of all of them, he has a tendency to poke it up the most. But tail set shouldn't be really an issue with this breeding.
No, I wouldn't think so. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Anything else you want to say about him?
He's cute.
These are all cute, Karen.